Datameer partners with AWS.
Alibaba Cloud launches EMEA expansion.
AWS Bahrain presence fosters innovation.
Cloud providers chase the Pentagon contract. These stories and more are coming up on this week's Lifter Cloud Roundup, July 13th, 2018.
Welcome to another edition of the Cloud Roundup on LifterNews.com. I'm Corey Bowling.
And I'm Shaylee Webb. Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at some interesting changes in the cloud this week and how they impacted the Lifter Index.
Datameer, a leader in big data management for analytics, has recently become an advanced technology partner with AWS. The partnership, which the company states they are very excited for, will make Datameer Express available immediately for use on the AWS marketplace.
The data management platform delivers insight in a shorter time frame without the need of coding or integrating separate tools. It is already utilized by global organizations such as National Instruments, Aetna, and Optum.
Those wishing to learn more about Datameer and its partnership with AWS won't have to wait long, as the company will be at the AWS Summit in New York on July 17th.
Alibaba Cloud is on the move again, launching a new EMEA partner program this week. In the company's words, the use of the program will, quote, create an inclusive ecosystem that can benefit all those involved.
The program is aimed to look at four primary areas: enhancing marketplaces, supporting talent development, advancing technology innovation, and developing digital transformations in targeting vertical industries. This move will be a crucial part of Alibaba's expansion out of the Asia Pacific.
Yiming Wang, the Alibaba Cloud General Manager, said that they have lots of clients asking to adopt Alibaba as a second or third public cloud provider. To get a more in-depth look at Alibaba as a cloud provider, check out our Alibaba Cloud report available on LifterNews.com.
It isn't news that AWS has been expanding rapidly, launching regions in Hong Kong, France, Sweden, and China in 2017. But a new region scheduled to open in Bahrain in 2019 is making major changes to the nation.
The nation's government decided to move all 40 of its agencies to the cloud, making Bahrain the first country to adopt a cloud-first policy. The government hopes to utilize the data center change to nurture a greater startup culture in the region, something that is already being fostered in neighboring regions like Saudi Arabia and Qatar. They also believe the move to cloud will strengthen the delivery of healthcare services to Bahraini citizens.
The Vice Chief Executive Officer of Bahrain Information and Government Authority, Salman Al Khalifa, announced, quote, "We're not an oil-rich country. Our crown jewels are the citizens, and making them ready for the cloud is going to help us succeed."
Pentagon Chief of Information Officer Deasy said on Wednesday that the RFP for the highly sought-after JEDI contract would be published soon. The announcement reignited discussions about the deal, which is estimated to be worth over $1.5 billion over the course of 5 years. The contract's RFP, which is winner-take-all, despite concerns about price competitiveness and vendor lock-in, has been delayed for nearly a month already.
The contract will last 2 years with 2 possible options, leading to an additional 8-year partnership. The Pentagon has already received 1,000 comments submitted in response to their request for proposals. The final call for proposals was supposed to come a month ago, but the Pentagon is still working on a list of requirements. Although he didn't give many details, Pentagon Chief of Information Officer Dana Deasy declared that they are conducting a full review of the project. The Pentagon hopes the contract will give them a tactical edge in the battlefield and strengthen the use of emerging technology.
Many cloud providers and IT boards alike are speaking out on the Pentagon's winner-take-all approach to the contract. They fear this method will stifle innovation and raise security risks. Many companies also objected to the approach, saying that it will favor Amazon, which is largely considered the leading provider.
That's a wrap for this week's Roundup on LifterNews.com. Has your business made major strides using cloud? We want to hear from you. Email us at ideas@lifternews.com.